Hi guys, welcome to my channel Out of Fun's Mind. I am Shivans and today in this video I'll show you how to make a fake virus prank from which you can prank your family members, friends or anyone. I'll just be showing a demo of it to you. So as you guys can see, I'm opening my this PC, normal this PC. So after I open it, it says an error occurred while opening this PC. Do you want to run a quick scan? Scanning, and then alert the application you're trying to open may be infected with the virus. The virus is trying to change your passwords. The virus successfully changed your passwords. Please wait while you sign you out. Okay, it's just a prank. Haha. So guys, if you want to make this virus, see the video till the end to make this fake virus and prank your friends and family members. Yeah, so guys, the first thing we'll do to make a virus is open notepad. So guys, you can see I have opened a notepad over here. Now we're gonna just copy this code. You'll get that code in the description box, or you can simply type it in a notepad. It's not so long. So now as you guys can see, I have pasted the code in my notepad. Now what we are going to do is erase that message description and write an error occurred while opening this PC. And now what we are going to do is erase that title and simply write this PC in its place. Okay. Now we are gonna click on file and hit save as. Make sure you guys are saving it in a desktop, and then we can give the name as this PC.vbs. And one more thing, you're gonna just keep the extension as .vbs. The name could be anything, but the extension should be .vbs or else this won't work. So now we're gonna just click on save. You'll see that icon over here. Now let's double click and see what's happening. So it says an error occurred while opening this PC. The same thing which I wrote in my coding part. And then it says in the title this PC, which I wrote over here. You guys might be wondering what is this 0 plus 16 mean. Well, the 0 means that OK button which is right here in the pop-up message, and that 16 means the critical icon which looks like a X, which is on the left of our error message. So now let's click on OK and check what happens. So as I click on OK, it automatically closes itself because I haven't coded next. What happens next yet? So let's code next. What happens next? So now you're gonna simply hit enter and paste the same code. Now we're gonna just erase that message description and write, do you want to run a scan? Do you want to run a quick scan? Okay. Now we're gonna erase the title and write Windows, and we're gonna make this 0 as 4 because we need a yes or no button which says 4. Now we need a help icon, not a critical icon. So I'll just erase that 16 and write 32. Okay, now we're gonna simply click on file and save, or you can just hit Ctrl S if you like the shortcut. Now let's open the script and see what happens. It says an error occurred while opening this PC. Okay, when I click on OK, it says, do you want to run a quick scan? So after that, when I click on yes or no, like if I click on yes, nothing happens because I haven't coded what happens next yet. So guys, now as you guys know how to code, I'll be pausing the video and resuming it after my coding part. I'll show you the coding part. If you want to copy, you can just copy it. Yes, so guys, I finished the coding part. Now let's click on file and save. Now let's check how's my virus working. So an error occurred while opening this PC. I'll click on OK. Do you want to run a quick scan? Yes. Scanning. OK. Windows found a virus in your system. OK. Alert! The application you're trying to open may be infected with the virus. Oh my god. Okay. The virus is trying to change your passwords. Shit. The virus was successful change your passwords. Please wait while we sign you out. No, don't sign me out. It's just a fake virus. Haha. Make sure you guys reveal in the last line that it was a fake virus. So now I'm clicking on OK and closing that. So now I think to make this virus more realistic, we're gonna just right click on this and create shortcut. When we create shortcut, we'll see this one more new icon. We're gonna right click on that and go to properties. When we go to properties, we'll see that change icon button. We're gonna click on that. So there are a ton of icons available over here. You can select according to your choice. I think this suits the best because my BIOS name is this pc.vbs. So I'm just clicking on OK and apply. So it's applied. Now just close that. So guys, as you can see, our fake virus is ready. You can prank your family members, friends, or anyone. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel.